Today we are all celebrating our 71st independence, the day when our nation was set free of the colonizers' rule. The day when every nation on earth witnessed true bravery and unity, that too from a rich nation turned poor and illiterate. Still we rose as heroes, still we fought, still we celebrate today. But my question to you is, are we in total independence today? No. We are all still caught up and imprisoned into our past, our miseries, our complaints, our negativity, our pessimism, our laziness, our stupidity, our races, our castes, our slaughters, our problems. The list continues, my friend. But where in the world are we acting free? Let's vote today to make ourselves strong, just like in those days when our homes were burned, our respects were trashed. We stood. We united to fight for what is right. All I want you all to do is to take a little tiny step that can make things right. To learn and understand that whenever someone puts an evil eye on my brother, my sister, my children, my mother, my friends, we will poke that eyes out to justice. And none can stop us from doing that if we fight in a truthful manner. We need to understand that the freedom we are celebrating today will have no worth if we kept dwelling and complaining for things not going right. We are the ones who have to make it right ourselves. Nobody's going to do that for us. And today we do that. Do you know why? Because this nation is free, but it needs more people to value the freedom that it has yielded to us. So let's start this journey towards our freedom and a successful life.
Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.